Here guys, we have 2 to the power of 5 plus 16 divided by 4 minus 4. This is a very interesting question. Okay, let's solve this step by step. 2 to the power of 5 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 4 and 16. 16. Okay, 32, right? 32 plus 16 divided by 4 minus 2. Now 32 plus 16 equals 48, right? Divided by 4 minus 2. Now 48 divided by 4 equals 12 minus 2, and 12 minus 2 equals 10. But this is wrong. Why? Because multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. But exponents first. Exponents, then division, then addition, then subtraction, right? So follow the order of operations. Now let's solve this correctly. Okay, so exponent first, right? So 2 to the power of 5 means 32, right? Plus 16 divided by 4 minus 2. Now divide first, right? 32 plus 16 divided by 4 equals 4 minus 2. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. So 32 plus 4 equals 36 and minus 2. 36 minus 2 equals 34.